Sowing Ideas, planting seeds of thought. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of English idioms. Today, we're delving into the picturesque phrase, sowing ideas. Just like a gardener plants seeds, we can plant thoughts and concepts in the fertile soil of our minds. Let's cultivate some understanding together. Sowing ideas is a metaphorical expression that compares the act of planting seeds in the ground to the act of introducing new thoughts or suggestions into someone's mind. It's all about starting a process that will grow and develop over time. When we sow ideas, we're hoping they will take root and flourish into bigger concepts or actions. The phrase stems from the agricultural practice of sowing seeds, which is scattering them on the ground so they can sprout and grow into plants. This term has been borrowed by the English language to represent the spread of non-tangible things like ideas, suggesting that thoughts, like seeds, need care and the right conditions to grow. Let's look at how sowing ideas might appear in conversation or writing. For example, a teacher may sow the idea of curiosity in their students by presenting them with intriguing questions. A politician might sow ideas about a new policy by discussing its potential benefits during a speech. Why is this phrase significant? Because it encapsulates the power of influence and education. By sowing ideas, we're recognizing the potential in others to develop and nurture these concepts. It's an act of optimism and creativity. To effectively sow ideas, one must communicate clearly and compellingly. It's not just about the idea itself but how you plant it. Use stories, analogies, and vivid language to make your idea resonate and stick in the minds of your listeners. And there you have it. The phrase, sowing ideas, beautifully illustrates how we can initiate the growth of thoughts and innovation in ourselves and others. Keep sowing good ideas, and watch as they blossom into something remarkable. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the richness of the English language. Farewell.